Have you ever wondered how animals adapted to changes in their habitat? Have you ever asked yourself how they survived?
Listen, wonder, think, and learn. Come along, ride with us as we explore and discover the magic of evolution.
Welcome to the four mechanisms of the theory of evolution, the start of the wonders around the world.
Animals thrive in the wild jungle. Different species, yet some behave similarly. But the most interesting part is how they survive and cope with the changes through the years. Is it through evolution?
Evolution occurs when there is a change in gene frequency within a population over time. Yet, how specifically does it work?
Let's say we had some butterflies with two different varieties, and 90% of the population had the genes of a viceroy butterflies, and only a few of them, let's say 10%, had the genes of a monarch butterflies. Some number of generations later, things have changed. The viceroy butterflies are more common than they used to be, and make up themselves 70% of the population.
So what did you call the situation and how did this happen? Simply, this is evolution. And speaking of evolution, did you know that there are four mechanisms that we can change to get these genetic changes? Mutation, genetic drift, migration, and natural selection.
A little trivia. As evolution occurs, the theory of evolution by Charles Darwin is introduced showing how the species adapt and change as the natural selection. Now, come on, and let's explore the wildlife.
First, let's talk about mutation. A mutation is a source of variation in the population. For example, the butterflies. They are exhibiting stem-line mutation, which are hereditary, that is from a somatic mutation, which only affects the body and passed into offspring.
How about migration? Let's say some individuals from a population of monarch butterflies might have left the pack and migrated to other pack. That would make some frequencies decrease the population of its variety, showing how migration affects the probability of population percentage.
Next up is genetic drift. Imagine a typhoon came and the habitat of monarch butterflies was hit. So the result would be a large portion of their population decreased compared to the viceroy butterflies, which are related to the bottleneck effect of genetic drift.
Natural selection is another way genetic changes can occur. Let's think that viceroy butterflies taste better to predators, and monarch butterflies don't for it is poisonous. Then, the monarch butterflies are more likely to produce offspring. Therefore, the next generations will have more of monarch butterflies.
Now, it explains it all. The basic idea of biological evolution is that population and species of organisms changes over time.
Evolution is innovation.
Through the help of one another,
It opens a new door.
Wider path to thread on, leading to the new knowledge waiting for us.